All right, y'all. Well, here's another video. I didn't bring my GoPro today, but we got some pretty good fish. So I'm just kind of like recording on my phone. I've been using this 3-inch white Whopper Plopper. Forgot which one this was made by, but yeah, this is the first time I've ever used a Whopper Plopper. My friends came over to my pond before and used them, and I mean, I've been fishing for probably a while now. I've caught 5 fish beforehand, and I took one cast out to the middle of my pond, which, like, I never fish, like, ever. And it just so happened, like, third cast in, caught PB crappie, black crappie, which is a monster, by the way. And then right afterward, PB bass out of this pond, which almost 2 pounds, but back-to-back casts. That is so wild. Never fished the middle of my pond before, so got fish blowing up. But yeah, we'll just get into the 2 clips that I have. So unless I fish for more, and then I'll have more. So, all right then. 14-inch PB crappie right here, going back. Dude, what a legend. Yeah. PB crappie. Sweet. All right, PB pond bass, not stunted, which is awesome. He's just huge. Hold on, let's get him on a scale. All right, flip it over. This is out of my pond. Stunted bass. I wish I had my GoPro recording, but this will make a pretty good YouTube short. 1.7 ounces. Yes. Dude, what a monster bass for my pond. Yeah. Yeah. And focus here. Lord. All right, time for the release. All right. Just caught a all right bass out in the middle again. Never fished the middle before, but we did it. All right, just a nice one. I'll throw him on back. Nice. All right, got a shell cracker. Got them stripes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooked him in the mouth, by the way, and in the top fin, but yeah, got him. Big old freaking snapping turtle. Not as big as KG snapping turtle. Oh, he just nipped at it. Nip at it again, boy. All right, y'all, this will probably be it for probably one of the shortest videos I've done. But yeah, you got to see some of that. So I'll probably show you a couple pictures from fish previous before I started recording, but I got pictures of them, so I'll just kind of put those in at the end. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and hey, if you like this video, I know it's like really short, but it's fine, then hit that like button, comment something, do something. See y'all.
She thinks I'm a little lazy, I think she's a little crazy. We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling in the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind.